On today's episode of Tales from a Whiteboard, we're outlining resources for women-owned businesses. Working women face unique challenges that can block their professional success.
Mind if I take it from here? First, there's the gender pay gap. On average globally, women earn 37% less than men in similar roles. Then there's the leadership equity issue. Executive roles and resources are often more targeted to men who hold the lion's share of business leadership positions. And let's not forget the constantly shifting scales of work and life. Maintaining balance as a working mother is a challenge for many women that can affect their physical and emotional health. To move forward, we must close these gaps and empower women to succeed. So let's talk resources. Growing a business starts with funding. If loans aren't your thing, try pitching your business to 37 Angels. This US-based organization invests in 10 startups annually, awarding anywhere from $50,000 to $200,000 to each. There's also the Amber Grant, founded by Women's Net, which presents $10,000 to one women-owned business in North America every month. A single Amber Grant application locks in your eligibility for the entire pool of Women's Net grants, worth $450,000 per year. Or check out the Visa She's Next grant program, which offers grants, coaching, and mentorship to female leaders around the world. If you're looking for education or training in the US, the Small Business Administration is a great place to start. The US SBA supports a national network of business hubs, including over 100 women's business centers, which help female leaders access credit, counseling, and business training.
Whether you're an entrepreneur or an ally, you can help women in business thrive with resources like these in your country. So, share grant opportunities, get involved, or just spread the word about a women-owned business you love. The smallest change still makes a difference. And in this case, that's personal and professional growth for all.